In the next few minutes, I'll help you find the best stainless steel air fryer for your kitchen. After hours of research and testing, I think I have a pretty good idea of what makes a good stainless steel air fryer. So, without further ado, here are my top recommendations for the best stainless steel air fryers. Just make sure to click the links in the description box if you want to see the current price for each product. The instant Vortex Plus air fryer could quickly become a staple in your kitchen routine because from crispy fries to juicy chicken tenders, this appliance consistently delivers delicious meals with minimal effort. The Even Crisp technology ensures a perfect golden finish with much less oil, which makes me feel healthier about my favorite guilty pleasures. Another feature I love is the one-touch smart programs, making it simple to cook wings or roasted veggies without guessing cooking times or temperatures, resulting in a tastier end product. Plus, the fast preheating means I spend less time waiting and more time enjoying my meals, which is always a plus. Also, its compact size fits nicely on my countertop, proving that good things come in small packages. On the downside, though, the 4-quart capacity might not be enough for larger families or when entertaining guests. Lastly, while the non-stick coating is great for easy cleanup, I do worry about it wearing out over time. Overall, this stainless steel air fryer is a solid addition to any kitchen focused on quick, healthy meals. Checking in at number 4 is the GE Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven, which is great if you want a versatile kitchen appliance that combines a toaster oven and an air fryer in one stainless steel unit. While not quite a 100% stainless steel air fryer if you count the aluminum-coated bake pan, I love how this GE Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven streamlines my cooking process. The combination of a toaster oven and an air fryer means I can toast, bake, and air fry all in one place, which is really convenient. My favorite feature is the digital control panel, which makes it easy to set the exact temperature and cooking mode, resulting in more precision. Also, the large capacity is genuinely a game changer because whether I'm toasting bagels for breakfast or roasting a whole chicken for dinner, the oven handles it all seamlessly. It's incredibly spacious, fitting a 12-inch pizza comfortably, which is perfect for family dinners. One thing to note though is that it does occupy quite a bit of counter space. And while the stainless steel finish looks sleek, it does tend to show fingerprints, so I find myself wiping it down more often than I like. But honestly, I'm nitpicking here. This really is one of the best stainless steel air fryer toaster ovens that you can get. Overall, I really appreciate the 8 cooking functions, which include options like air fry, bake, broil, and even proofing dough. Similarly, the advanced cooking mode circulates heat evenly, giving me perfectly cooked meals every time. Moving on to the third best stainless steel air fryer, we have the Cuisinart air fryer and Convection toaster, which I think is a great choice for anyone wanting a versatile and efficient stainless steel appliance. I recently got my hands on the Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven, and I found the combination of air frying, baking, grilling, and more in one unit incredibly convenient. With the dual-sided grill and griddle plate, I was able to sear steaks to perfection and make a fantastic breakfast all with the same appliance. Also, the large interior offers ample space, making it easy to roast a whole chicken or bake a large pizza. Likewise, having an adjustable temperature dial, timer, and toast shade selector really helps in getting the meal just right. However, it does take up a fair bit of counter space, which might be a concern for those with smaller kitchens. Also, I found there was a slight learning curve when it came to mastering all the different settings, but nothing too complicated. Overall, the Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven is a fantastic multitasker that meets most of my cooking needs. Whether you're hosting friends or cooking a quick snack, it makes the process simpler and faster, and for that, it could well be the best stainless air fryer for you. Now for the runner-up in my best stainless steel air fryer roundup. If you're looking for a high-performing air fryer that can also roast, bake, and more, Emeril's extra large air fryer is a fantastic choice. This air fryer has quickly become one of my favorite kitchen tools, thanks to the convenient French doors and the 24 cooking presets, meaning I'm always prepared for any meal, whether I'm throwing frozen snacks together or preparing a full roast. It's incredibly flexible and saves a lot of time, and is probably the closest thing to an all stainless steel air fryer that you can get. The interior of this Emeril Lagasse model is stainless steel, which is quite a rarity even with air fryers that have a stainless steel finish. Now, as someone who appreciates the finer details in the kitchen, I have to say that I just love the dual speed fan, which ensures my food gets that perfect crispy finish. Speaking of finish, the stainless steel finish on this appliance adds a nice touch to my kitchen's aesthetics, blending in seamlessly with my other stainless steel appliances. Similarly, the French doors open easily, and the interior light is super helpful for keeping an eye on what's cooking. Besides the stainless steel construction, the standout feature is the 26-quart capacity, which is a game changer for family meals or when hosting friends. I managed to rotisserie a chicken, which turned out moist and delicious in much less time than usual. Though a bit heavy and bulky, finding a good spot on the counter made that a minor issue. And yes, it's a little on the pricey side, but with all its functionalities, I definitely think it's worth the investment. So, what is the best stainless steel air fryer that you can buy? Well, if you're in the market for a versatile and reliable air fryer and have the budget available, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is definitely worth considering. Having just tried the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, I was impressed with its cooking capabilities because the exciting variety of 13 cooking functions, ranging from air frying to dehydrating, allows me to get creative with different recipes. One standout feature is the Element IQ system. It uses 6 independent quartz elements, which means the oven automatically adjusts the heat for optimal cooking, helping to eliminate cold spots and resulting in evenly cooked meals that make everyone happy. Similarly, I also appreciate the LCD display. It's easy to navigate and keeps me informed of the cooking progress. Although it offers a lot in terms of cooking versatility, it's quite large and takes up significant counter space. Also, there's no getting around the fact that this stainless steel air fryer toaster oven is expensive. Despite these drawbacks though, I think its performance justifies the investment for anyone who cooks frequently and wants to buy the best stainless steel air fryer possible. Okay, so there you have it guys, my carefully curated list of the best stainless steel air fryers on the market today. Feel free to let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful in any way, then please do give it a like. And if you'd like to see more from me in the future, you could maybe even consider subscribing as well. Thank you very much for watching.